Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you in Romans 12 verse 12, rejoicing in hope, patient in tribulation, continuing instant in prayer. So that is the message of the Lord for you today, that God wants you to stand fast, be immovable, and God wants you to hold on to Him for more. God wants you to continue in praying to Him. Your prayers are important for you to be strong. And God wants you to long for Him. God wants you to get over to what makes you down. God wants you to leave the fears, the anxiety, the depressions, and the sadness in your life. God wants you to leave it behind. God wants you to feel His joy in your life. Do not stay in your sadness. Keep calm and keep on rejoicing to God. Keep on hoping to Him, for there is a best thing that you will encounter in your life soon. A wonderful thing is coming in your life, and God is going to surprise you. Thanks for watching my videos, and God bless you all.